Hi there, it's Lawrence Dunn here, and just going to show you some tips to save some money when you repair your Jeep interior. On my Jeep, which is a 2005 to 2008 WK Jeep, we have a control switch which is there.
Okay, let's take a walk out to my Jeep, a 5.7 Hemi, 2005 model, hydro blue, very nice.
The part in question, the switch panel, part number is on the video.
As you can see, this switch panel is completely worn out, 14 years of being pressed, and it's rubbed the paint off and it just looks pretty scruffy.
Repair on this and save you the £135 that it's going to cost to buy the new part, which may be cheaper in other parts of the world, but in Europe it's printed with the information centre buttons on like this, so with type on, so you'll be able to see them illuminated at night. And simply all you have to do is trim a little bit off the top, which I'll show you shortly, and then you stick it on the information centre. It's that simple. Lining the lettering up's a bit of a thing, but as I say, you can take them off and notice how the paint has come off when I did that. That's why I've got a spare step, so what I'll do here is just use it to get some of the loose stuff off. And it might be an idea to buy 2 of these sheets of stickers, and then you've got some spare, because you may find they peel off after a bit of use, just like the original buttons. So there's the spare step. Put that on again and line it up. That's pretty well lined up now, so there you have the finished item. And then I'll show you how we did it on my Jeep, where I didn't take the information centre out at all, we did it in the car.